Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Shopify for customer experience step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Select themes to view your current theme options. Click on Customize to enter the theme editor for your active theme. Review your homepage layout to ensure it showcases your best-selling products prominently. Add a clear and engaging logo by clicking on the header section. Make sure your navigation menu is easy to use, with categories that reflect your product offerings. Optimize your product images for quality and consistency, ensuring they load quickly. Use high-quality product descriptions that concisely convey the benefits and features of each product. Ensure you have clear sizing and measurements if applicable, to reduce return rates. In the theme editor, access the footer section to include important links, such as customer service and contact information. Add a blog section to share valuable content, helping to engage customers and boost SEO. Optimize the checkout experience by going to Settings and selecting Checkout. Enable accounts to make the process smoother for returning customers. Consider adding customer reviews or testimonials to build trust and credibility. Install apps that enhance customer experience, like live chat and email capture tools. Test the mobile responsiveness of your store, ensuring it looks appealing on all devices. Utilize analytics tools to track customer behavior and identify areas for improvement. Encourage customer feedback by sending post-purchase surveys after they receive their orders. Regularly update your store with fresh content and new products to keep customers returning. By following these steps, you will create a more optimized Shopify store that enhances customer experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.